There are many common problems with sump pumps. The most common failure is the switch of the sump pump. They probably account for 80 to 90% of the sump pump failures. Other problems can be bacteria in the water that actually builds up on the pump system that keeps things from operating properly. There can be discharge problems. We do occasionally have power outages that will create problems. The most common problem is actually a mechanical problem with the pump. And with that mechanical problem with the pump, we do recommend a backup sump pump system in every system that operates almost at all. Backup systems are really great to use. We do recommend the battery backup systems over the water-powered systems. Water-powered systems don't pump the capacity, the volume in gallons, and they are subject to failures. And I have walked into more than one basement with lots of clear water where that backup system that was water-powered was not able to discharge properly, and it ended up putting water into the basement rather than taking it out. So we definitely prefer the battery-powered backup systems over the water-powered backup systems.